So here's how to add sub restaurant menu on Wix. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix website. Once you are logged into your Wix website, now here you have to click on the edit site option at the top right corner. Once you click on it, now it will open this menu. From here you have to simply click on the page and menu option. After that, here you have to click on the add a new page option. Once you click on it, now it will show you these templates for your page. You can select any one of these templates to create your page or edit your page. Here I'm gonna select this page. Now you can add your own details here by clicking on each of the individual item and then deleting it. You can simply upload your own images. Now you have to change the description and the text for your each image. After that, click on the publish option at the top. So that's how to create Submenu restaurant page on Wix.